If you've ever tried cooking with mismatched, worn-out pans that stick, heat unevenly, and somehow make even simple meals frustrating, you already know how much your cookware can affect your entire kitchen experience. It's one of those things you don't think about until it starts slowing you down every single day. So today, we're taking a close look at the Umite Chef 31-piece non-stick cookware set, a full kitchen setup that promises to replace pretty much everything at once. This is clearly aimed at new homeowners, families, or anyone upgrading from basic cookware who wants a complete, all-in-one solution without spending a premium price. But is it actually worth it, or just another oversized bundle? Let's break it down. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is how complete this set really is. You're not just getting a couple of pans, you're getting fry pans, saucepans, a grill pan, bakeware, utensils, and more. It's designed to cover almost every cooking scenario, which is especially useful if you're setting up a kitchen from scratch. Visually, it has a clean, modern black finish that looks good without trying too hard. It fits easily into most kitchen styles, whether modern or traditional. The build quality feels solid for the price range. The pans have a good weight to them without being too heavy, and the handles are made from heat-resistant bakelite, which means they stay relatively cool even when you're cooking on higher heat. In real-world use, that translates to a more comfortable and safer grip, especially if you're moving things around quickly. The non-stick coating feels smooth and well-applied, and while it's not something you want to abuse with metal utensils, it does seem durable enough for everyday cooking. What stands out here is how beginner-friendly everything feels. Since the handles come pre-attached, you don't have to assemble anything, and you can start cooking right away. The set is also compatible with different stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric, which makes it flexible no matter what kind of kitchen setup you have. That's something a lot of people overlook until they run into compatibility issues. Now, when it comes to performance, this is where things get practical. The aluminum core helps distribute heat evenly, which means you're less likely to end up with hot spots that burn your food in one area while leaving another undercooked. In everyday cooking, whether you're frying eggs, simmering sauces, or grilling vegetables, the heat feels consistent and predictable. That alone makes cooking less stressful, especially if you're still learning your way around the kitchen. The nonstick surface does its job well. Food releases easily, which means less oil is needed and cleanup is much quicker. For things like eggs, pancakes, or even delicate fish, it makes a noticeable difference. Cleaning is straightforward too. Most of the time, a simple rinse and wipe is enough. While it's recommended to hand wash to preserve the coating, it doesn't feel like a chore compared to scrubbing traditional pans. In terms of daily use, this set fits naturally into your routine. You're not searching for the right pan or making do with something that's close enough. Everything has a purpose, and once you get used to having the right tool for each task, it genuinely speeds things up in the kitchen. The included bakeware is also a nice bonus, especially if you like baking occasionally but don't want to buy separate pieces. That said, there are a few trade-offs. Because this is a large set, you'll need enough storage space to keep everything organized. If your kitchen is small, that can be a challenge. Also, while the nonstick coating is convenient, it does require some care to maintain over time, so no metal utensils or harsh scrubbing. And while the performance is solid, it doesn't quite match the feel of high-end premium cookware, which is expected at this price point. Compared to other cookware sets in the same range, Umite Chef stands out for its sheer completeness. Many sets offer fewer pieces or skip bakeware entirely, which means you end up buying extras later. On the other hand, some premium brands offer better materials or longer-lasting coatings, but at a significantly higher cost. This set sits comfortably in the middle, offering strong value for what you get. So who is this really for? If you're starting fresh, moving into a new home, or just tired of piecing together random cookware, this makes a lot of sense. It simplifies everything and gives you a consistent cooking experience. But if you're an experienced cook looking for top-tier performance or ultra-durable materials, you might want to invest in higher-end individual pieces instead. At the end of the day, the Umite Chef 31-piece set is about convenience and value. It takes the guesswork out of building a kitchen and gives you everything you need to cook confidently right away. If you want to check it out or see the latest price, I've left a link in the description below. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.